Tenon, the master brand in China's smart lock industry. To be original with ingenuity. Security is the core value of Tenon Smart Lock. Embrace the respect of life. Safety and reliability are incorporated into the design of every function and detail. Crafting, fine-pointed finish, fastness, aesthetics in every subtle detail. The 11,000 square meter smart production base. Repeat failure-free tests by more than 200,000 times continuously. Strictly control 50 methods of quality inspection. Originate from keeping improving the product performance. Strictly control the quality and assume responsibility for safety. $500,000 sets of annual production capacity. Seamless connection between customer needs and manufacturing. International logistics storage platform. In the context of each certificate, millions of users trust and use Tenon Smart Locks with confidence. Simpleness modeling and perspicacious structure. Craftsmanship is shown in every inch. Tenon has built every smart lock to provide millions of users with advanced smart home life experience. 15 million first-hand experience of Tenon safety and reliability products and services. From 1991 to the present, from China to the world, Tenon has brought safety and reliability to every family.